Post-poll tension have hit a boiling point in the Khowai subdivision. While the police claim to be cracking down on violence, Tipra Motha leaders have taken to the highways alleging unethical arrest of their workers. Thousands of commuters remain stranded as the administrative deadlock continues. High-profile blockades at Belfang and Behalabari, Khowai. At Belfang, a major sit-in protest was taken on the national highway, led by MDC James De Burma and former executive member Suhail De Burma. Hundreds of local residents joined the blockade, demanding the immediate and unconditional release of Tipra Motha workers currently in police custody. Our workers were taken into custody without any valid reason or evidence of involvement in violence. These are false accusations manufactured by the BJP to harass our supporters, claimed MDC James De Burma.
आज हम लोग यहाँ पर एक पीसफुल रोड ब्लॉकेट कर रहा है. The reason that we are organizing a peaceful road blockade is because yesterday night, without any reason, the BJP party, along with the influences of police team, they came and took our one of the most active party workers, Sri Khoniranjan De Burma, has been taken to the custody, and उसी के वजह से आज हम लोग यहाँ पर आके एक रोड ब्लॉकेट कर रहे हैं. देखिए, हम सब चाहते हैं पीसफुल तरीक़े से यहाँ पर हम लोग का जितना भी काम है वो चलाए, लेकिन पोस्ट इलेक्शन के बाद बीजेपी पार्टी का जो कार्यकर्ता लोग हम लोगों को बिना रीज़न पकड़ के कस्टडी पे लेकर जा रहा है, किसी को एफआईआर दर्ज कर रहा है. तो इसी कारण हम लोग यहाँ पर आज रोड ब्लॉकेट कर रहे हैं. तो हम लोग ये जो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर्स थे, कंसर्न अथॉरिटीज़ है, उनको भी एक मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि आप लोग ये सब छोड़ के पीसफुल करके हम सब पब्लिक को आपको न्याय देना चाहिए, ताकि आप लोग पब्लिक का विरोध जाके ऐसा बिना कारण बिना रीज़न ऐसा पकड़ के लेकर जाएगा तो लोग ऐसा ही आएंगे. और आज तो सिर्फ हम लोग रोड ब्लॉकेट कर रहा है. आने वाले दिन पे अगर रिलीज़ नहीं किया जाता है तो इससे भी ज़्यादा बड़ा मूवमेंट पे हम लोग उतर के हम लोग आंदोलन करेंगे. With SP, I spoke with additional SP. Also, I spoke to SDPO and of course with UC. But so far we did not get any positive response, and we are waiting that the concerned authority should take seriously to this matter. Otherwise, today we have just organized a peaceful road blockade. Tomorrow, by today, if our party members, Sri Khoniranjan De Burma, is not been released, then we are going to take a very intensified movement, and this road blockade will get more intensified. Then the responsibility will be to the police authorities only and the government. They should be answerable for this.
Simultaneously at Behalabari, protesters blocked the road by burning tires, creating a total standstill on the Khowai-Kamalpur road. This demonstration saw the prominent presence of MLA Ranjit De Burma and MDC Prasmit De Burma, further intensifying the political standoff. Tipra Motha leadership has hit out at the police administration, accusing them of acting under political pressure. MLA Ranjit De Burma termed the police crackdown unethical, asserting that innocent individuals are being targeted while the actual perpetrators of violence remain free.
Chini Ramchandra Garta Chini Ashram Barik Halahali Kendruni Oroni Korcha Diponkor De Burma and Katai Yarokai Korcha Khoni Rondon De Burma Romka Chini J. Case Rimani Chini Buramgana candidate Prosmit De Burma in Nogasaka Kokjaka Shirabe Kokjaka Mung Riya Kowo Case Kalaka Otosa police Bulipo Kongomanka Otosa police of Nakaromia Kintu Borongni bekai kono sunidista kono case sikri o sondeho mulok babe borongni romjaka mia oro montri phaika MLA phaika BJP ni neta rok phaika jokhon guriman pore khana borongni arrest khlai jaka ha borongno khlai jaka arrest khlai jaka eko omoto solimaya engke prosason niropekkhongna nango पक्षपाती तंगु सामुं तांगमानि बागना तिनेओ जोंजाल ताबुंगो और ताबु सतो सतो गारि कसाजाक लुकुरो कसाजाक जोंबो दुख नांगो किन्तु प्रशासन तो अमो हुंना निकोगिया जों नायो प्रशासन পুলিশ প্রশাসন নিরপেক্ষ প্রশাসন নিরপেক্ষ এবং এলাকানি টংকসাং হালক ন কসাং কসাং টনন বাগै बर याफ्रि मारम नाय जों नायो जे प्रशासन और निरपेक्ष भाबे सम
The leadership issued a 24-hour ultimatum to the police administration, warning that if the arrested workers are not released within this time frame, they will launch a significantly larger movement. They further stated that the police administration would be held solely responsible for any consequences arising from such an escalation. Reported by Tripura from Khowai, Chini, Khorang.